If you haven't heard of a most beautiful bamboo band, this is it. So prepare to take some real good photos of it. All right, let me give the mic to the gentleman over here. Ladies and gentlemen, the group from Solomon Island.
Hello, Samoa! How kalau katawan to Kublomilo Samoa, you alright? Good pala Tomas. Right, we are from Solomon Islands. Today we're proud to be here in American Samoa. We know that we're going to host you guys in 2012, so we're looking forward to that. Solomon Islands is a country with vast cultural diversity. We speak more than 96 different languages. And we have 9 different provinces. And we have different cultural dances. Today we're going to demonstrate only one. Just only one. Just to kick you up to expect more. 6 o'clock this afternoon, we're going to put forward most of the stuff that we come here to present to you. But just to give just a hint of what is going to come, Solomon Islands is ready to entertain you. And we're looking forward to see you guys in 2012 in Solomon Islands. One thing special about Solomon Islands, we have the Pacific. We are the Pacific. Because all the races in the Pacific is in Solomon Islands. We have Melanesians, we have Polynesians, and we have the Micronesians. And everyone is there. So we're going to host the Pacific in 2012. See you guys and enjoy the show. Thank you very much.